Taking the wife's Jeep to work today. She's gonna get an oil change in mine after the long trip. Here at Richie's, pick up the delicious lunch for Spectra. If you've never been to Richie's, you need to come. There's a lot of food. Got all loaded up with all the Richie's chicken goodness. Got to meet the owners of Richie's here this morning. Very nice couple, very helpful, love their place. Yeah, we're looking forward to getting to eat some now. Told I need to be here at 11. I get here just in the nick of time. That guy's actually early, and we find out the meeting doesn't really start till 11:30. Oops. Nobody ever said the Holland family didn't know how to throw a chicken dinner.
That's true. No one's ever said that, actually.
Jeremy mentally prepared for the presentation he's about to give.
Just want to make sure I remember everybody's names.
Great meeting with Spectra. Met a new St. George Island friend. Shh, you're not allowed to know about it though. Well, you've been watching this vlog, you know about it. But it's always fun to meet somebody else that loves St. George Island. For some reason I feel like a Jeep should be a stick shift, but it is really nice not to shift sometimes. Little musical cars to get everything ready for this evening's work. So we are now heading out to a carpet cleaning demo for CC&J, and then we will be back to the silo to dump fill, and then we got a big job at Land Fair again tonight. Demo went really well. Wasn't able to get any video because we had an escort and just seemed odd, but cleaned up real good. Expect to get some more work out here soon. Now I'm following Jeremy again. I'm really hoping it's dinner time. Richie's was excellent for lunch, but it doesn't last forever. It was dinner time. Freaky fast dinner time. Now putting everything back away. Seriously trying to see how much real estate we can occupy at the silo. Cleaning some carpet, some vinyl, drinking some coffee. I'm not, just Jeremy. About midnight, about done. Last coat. Nice break room at the Land Fair. But third shift doesn't get any hot meals evidently. I don't know about you, but when I see a Servati box, I get excited. Oh, nuts. It's gonna be a cold ride home in the doorless Jeep. Oh well.